Yes, children, now it's our exercise time. Let's do the exercise in the workbook of lesson 14, Our Country, India. Yes, the first exercise in the workbook is fill in the blanks. There are 6 fill in the blanks. Read the question and write the correct answer. First one, India is bound by the dash sea in the west. India is bound by which sea in the west? India is bounded by 3 seas, isn't it? Yes. On the west we have one sea, on east also we have, and south also we have. So on the west part, which sea you can see there? Yes, India is bound by the Arabian Sea. A-R-A-B-I-A-N, Arabian. India is bounded by the Arabian Sea in the west. India is bounded by the Arabian Sea in the west. Now second, Sri Lanka is separated from India by the dash. Sri Lanka is separated from India by, yes, what is that? Park Strait. Park Strait. P-A-L-K. Park Strait. S-T-R-A-I-T. Sri Lanka is separated from India by the Park Strait. Now third, central zone of India primarily refers to dash. The central zone, there are 6 major zones of India. Among this, one is central zone. So central refers to mainly which state it is? Refers to Madhya Pradesh. Yes, Madhya Pradesh. M-A-D-H-Y-A. Madhya Pradesh. P-R-A-D-E-S-H. Madhya Pradesh. So the central zone of India primarily refers to Madhya Pradesh and the newly formed state of, yes, Chhattisgarh. C-H-A-T-T-I-S-G-A-R-H. Chhattisgarh. So the central zone of India primarily refers to Madhya Pradesh and the newly formed state of Chhattisgarh. Fourth one, dash became the 29th state of India on 2nd June 2014. So in that year, one new state formed in India on June 2nd. Which state it was? It was Telangana. T-E-L-A-N-G-A-N-A. Telangana was the state that formed on June 2nd, 2014. Before India, our country has divided into 29 states. Now the country is divided into 28 states. With the effect from 26th January 2020, India divided into 28 states. Jammu and Kashmir was state before. It was there in the state. Actually, it has been converted to Union Territory. So it was for the first time one state is going to Union Territory. Jammu Kashmir, now it became the Union Territory. So now we have only 28 states. Before we had 29 states in India. Now we have only 28 states and 8 Union Territories. The Union Territory before Daman Diu, Dadra and Nagar Haveli was separate, but now they both merged together with Daman as capital, as one. That's why Union Territories, there is no change, it's 8 only, but state it is 28 now. Before it was 29, now it is 28. So Telangana was the state that formed on 2nd June 2014. Fifth one, dash is known as the Silicon Valley of India. Silicon Valley of India. Which state it is? Which state capital it is? Yes, Karnataka state capital it is. Bengaluru is known as the Silicon Valley of India. Bengaluru. B-E-N-G-A-L-U-R-U. Bengaluru is known as the Silicon Valley of India. Sixth one, the last one, Western Ghats are the source of all dash rivers. In Western Ghats, we can see only, yes, they are the source of Deccan rivers. D-E-C-C-A-N, Deccan rivers. All Deccan rivers which are there in the Deccan Plateau, they are in Western Ghats. So Western Ghats are the source of all Deccan rivers. So first one, India is bound by the Arabian Sea in the west, A-R-A-B-I-A-N, Arabian. Second, Sri Lanka is separated from India by the Park Strait, P-A-L-K, Park, S-T-R-A-I-T, Strait, Park Strait. Third one, central zone of India primarily refers to Madhya Pradesh and the newly formed state of Chhattisgarh. Fourth one, Telangana became the 29th state of India on 2nd June 2014. Fifth one, Dash is known as the Silicon Valley of India. Bengaluru is known as the Silicon Valley of India. Western Ghats are the source of all Deccan rivers. Coming to the second exercise in the workbook, the second exercise is write yes or no to the following statements. So given are 5 statements. You have to read the statement, children. Read the statement and check whether the given statement is right or wrong. If the statement is correct, then you have to write yes in the bracket given. If the statement is wrong, then write no in the brackets. Okay. So the first one, Lakshadweep Islands are located in the Bay of Bengal. Is the statement correct or wrong? Lakshadweep Islands are located in the Bay of Bengal. Where is Lakshadweep Islands in India map? Where is the Lakshadweep Islands? In the west part, isn't it? Yes, in the western side. So there you can see Arabian Sea, not Bay of Bengal. So Lakshadweep Islands are located in the Bay of Bengal. The statement is wrong. So you have to write no. No. Lakshadweep Islands are located in the Bay of Bengal. The statement is wrong. So write no in the brackets. Second, Great Indian Desert lies in the western part of India. Where you can find deserts or the Great Indian Deserts. Great Indian Deserts, they lie in the western parts of India. It is the correct statement. Yes. So you can write yes in the brackets. Yes. Y-E-S. Yes. Deserts are in the western parts of India. Third, Bengali is the dominant language in the state of Bihar. Bengali, which people or which state speaks this language, Bengali? Yes, in West Bengal, isn't it? West Bengal people speak Bengali, not in Bihar. So Bengali is the dominant language in the state of Bihar. It is a wrong statement. So you have to write no there. No. The main language of West Bengal is Bengali, not Bihar. Fourth one, India is bound by Indian Ocean in the south. India is bound by Indian Ocean in the south. Yes, India is bounded by seas on 3 sides. Bay of Bengal on east, Arabian Sea on the west, and Indian Ocean to the south. Yes, so the statement is the right statement or correct statement. So you can write yes. Y-E-S. Yes. Now coming to the fifth one, the last one, the Andaman and the Nicobar Islands lie in the Arabian Sea. Is it? The statement is correct or wrong? Andaman and Nicobar Islands, we can see in that eastern part of India, isn't it? Yes, there we can see Bay of Bengal, not Arabian Sea. So Andaman and Nicobar Islands, they lie in the mainland Bay of Bengal, not in Arabian Sea. So the given statement is wrong. So you can write no. N-O, no. Okay? Yes. So Lakshadweep Islands are located in Bay of Bengal. The statement is wrong. So no. Great Indian Deserts lie in the western part of India. It is a correct statement. So yes. Third one, Bengali is the dominant language in the state of Bihar. The statement is wrong, so no. Fourth one, India is bound by Indian Ocean in the south. The statement is right, so the answer is yes. Last one, the Andaman and the Nicobar Islands lie in the Arabian Sea. The statement is wrong, so the answer is no. Okay, children? Our next exercise in the workbook is exercise 3. Answer the following questions. First question. Name the 7 neighboring countries of India. So which are the 7 neighboring countries of India? Or India shares its borders with 7 countries. So there are 7 neighboring countries for India. Yes. Answer, Afghanistan and Pakistan to the northwest. We can see Afghanistan and Pakistan to the northwest part of India. North is the top, south is bottom, then east and west, isn't it? So northwest part we can see Afghanistan and Pakistan, then China, Bhutan and Nepal to the north. North side we can see China, Nepal and Bhutan. Myanmar to the far east. A little bit away from east we can see Myanmar and Bangladesh to the east. These are the 7 neighboring countries of India. Then second, mention the physical divisions of India. Physical divisions of India means, yes, Himalayas are there, plateaus are there, plains are there, deserts are there, coastal plains are there, islands are there. These are the physical divisions of India. We can see the lofty Himalayas or the tall Himalayas on the northern side, and in Himalayas there are 3 main parallel ranges: the Great Himalaya, Middle Himalaya and Shivalik range. These 3 main parallel ranges we can see in Himalayas, the northern part Himalayas. Then comes which one? Yes, Himalayan mountains, then northern plains, which are generally level and flat. It lies to the south of Himalayas. They are northern plains. They lies to the south of Himalayas, and these are generally level and flat area, flat land we say. Then plateaus are there. Okay, plateaus are there which are called tablelands. Then great Indian deserts. We can see Indian deserts which are hot and dry stretchy land, sandy stretchy land we say hot land, or sandy area we say. So long sandy stretch land. It is deserts, peninsula plateaus, isn't it? Yes, Deccan plateau we see there in the form of triangular shape it is. Then we can see Himalayas and Satpura range. West flowing rivers are flowing in that range to the Arabian Sea. Then we can see coastal plains. India is bounded by seas, Arabian Sea on the east, West Bay of Bengal on the east, Arabian Sea on the west and Indian Ocean to the south. So India has a long coastal line. Then islands are there. Islands means a piece of land surrounded by water on all sides. So these are the physical divisions of India. Yes, the physical divisions of India are the Himalayan mountains, Himalaya, which lies to the northern part of India, Himalayan mountains, northern Indian plains. Just south of Himalaya we can see this, northern plains we can see, northern Indian plains. Great Indian desert, that lies to the west of India, Great Indian desert. Then peninsular plateaus or Deccan plateau we say, the Vindhyas and the Satpura range, the important range it is. Then coastal plains and islands. These are the physical divisions of India. So name the 7 neighboring countries of India: Afghanistan and Pakistan to the northwest, China, Bhutan and Nepal to the north, Myanmar to the far east and Bangladesh to the east. These are the 7 neighboring countries of India. Second, mention the physical divisions of India. Physical divisions of India are the Himalayan mountains, northern Indian plains, Great Indian desert, peninsular plateau the Vindhyas and the Satpuras, coastal plains and islands. Children, so our next question is question number 3. Which is the question number 3? Can you read? What are the 6 major songs of India? So what are the 6 major songs of India? There are 6 major songs, isn't it? Yes. The 6 major songs of India are East India, West India, North India, South India, Northeast India and Central India. So these are the 6 major songs of India. Which are the 6 major songs of India? East India, West India, North India, South India, the Northeast India and Central India. These are the 6 major songs of India, and you already learned about the people or the states, the main states of these songs and which are the language they speak, etc. Isn't it? Yes. Let's name the India's southern states. So which are the main states in the south part of India or southern states of India? Southern India covers states like Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Kerala, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana with the union territories of Lakshadweep and Puducherry. So southern states of India include Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Kerala, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana. These are the states we can see in the south part of India with union territories Lakshadweep Islands and Puducherry. Then the last one, write the names of the 7 sister states of India. Yes, in the northeast part of India, there are 7 sister states, we say. In the northeast part of India, we have 7 sister states. They are, the 7 sister states of India are Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Meghalaya, Tripura, Mizoram, Manipur and Nagaland. These are the 7 sister states of India. See the spelling, children. Spell it and write. Arunachal Pradesh, Arunachal, Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Assam, Meghalaya, Meghalaya, Tripura, Tripura, Mizoram, Mizoram, Manipur, 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 Nagaland, Nagaland, Nagaland. Okay. So what are the 6 major songs of India? The 6 major songs of India are East India, West India, North India, South India, Northeast India and Central India. Now the 4th one, name the India's southern states. Southern India covers states like Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Kerala, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana with the union territories Lakshadweep and Puducherry. See the spelling, Lakshadweep, Lakshadweep, Lakshadweep and Puducherry, Puducherry. They are the union territories. These 2 are the union territories. 5th one, write the name of the 7 sister states of India. The 7 sister states of India are Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Meghalaya, Tripura, Mizoram, Manipur and Nagaland. Okay, children. Next, 6th question, children. What are 6 states of North India? North India, we have 6 states. Which are they? Answer. The 6 states of North India are Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Punjab, Haryana with union territories of Delhi. Delhi is our national capital territory and Chandigarh. So these are the 6 states of North India with the union territories. See the spelling and write properly. The 7th question is, state the latitude and longitude of India. So we have latitudes and longitudes, isn't it? Latitudes are the parallels to the equator, parallel lines to the equator. Equator is the imaginary line that drawn along the surface of the earth, or around the line around the earth. In the globe we can see an imaginary line passes through the midway, isn't it? It is an equator. It divides India into northern and southern hemisphere, and there are some lines parallel to equator. They are latitudes. Latitudes are marked as 8 degree 4 north and 37 degree 6 north from south to north, and longitude are marked as 68 degree 7 east and 97 degree 25 east from west to east. Longitudes are, they are not parallel lines, they all meet at the poles. So we need this equator, latitudes and longitudes to locate the places on the globe. To fix the position of a place, we need latitudes, longitudes and equator. Equator is imaginary line passes along the on the earth, and it divides the earth into two halves, northern and southern. So latitudes are parallel lines to the equator. Longitudes are not parallels, but they all meet at the poles. The last question, name the major Deccan rivers. Which are the major Deccan rivers? In Deccan area we can see many rivers, Western Ghat area, isn't it? Yes. The major rivers in the Deccan include the Mahanadi river, Godavari river, Krishna river and Kaveri river. Yes, so which are the 6 states of North India? What are 6 states of North India? The 6 states of North India are Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Punjab, Haryana, with union territories of Delhi, National Capital Territory. It is Delhi is the National Capital Territory. You can put it in the brackets, and Chandigarh. 7th question, state the latitude and longitude of India. Latitude is 8 degree 4 north and 37 degree 6 north from south to north. We always measure latitudes in degree, latitudes and longitude in degrees. Latitude, all the lines parallel to the north of the equator, we name it as north latitude. Which are to the south of the equator, we name it as south latitudes. The longitude, it also measures in degree towards east and west. So 68 degrees 7 east, 97 degree 25 east from west to east. Last question is, name the major Deccan rivers. Major rivers in Deccan include the Mahanadi river, Godavari river, Krishna river and Kaveri river. Mahanadi, M-A-H-A-N-A-D-I, Mahanadi. Godavari, G-O-D-A-V-A-R-I, Godavari, Krishna and Kaveri river. Okay children. Next, fourth exercise is locate the following states in the Indian political map. So in the workbook, children, page number 71, in your workbook you can see an India map is given and states are written here. You have to write where the states in India belongs to. Okay, you have to locate the states in this map. Gujarat, Bihar, Arunachal Pradesh, Kerala, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Jammu and Kashmir, Punjab, Mizoram, Meghalaya. So 10 states are given here children. You have to locate these states in the given map. You have to write it in the correct state. Gujarat, where you can see it is the western part of India, we can see Gujarat. Bihar, Arunachal Pradesh, everything you have to mark. And in your textbook, in your course book, in page number 110, we have an Indian map with states and union territories marked on it. See the map, see the location of each state, then you locate these states given here in the map. Just write where it is in the Indian map. Okay, Gujarat where you find, Kerala where it is, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, etc. You have to write. Okay, it is there in your course book, page number 110. India map with union territories and states are given. So see that map and write the answers here. Okay children.